Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just doing a quick unboxing for you of this handheld garment steamer. So go ahead and flip that top open and show you how it comes. So you have your paperwork, so your warranty and manual stuff on top. Couple of attachments. So we got everything out of the box now. So looks like this is your measuring cup or fill type cup for your tank. This is the handheld steamer itself. So give you a quick look around that. Couple of buttons here to slide out the tank. It snaps in place. And then it also comes with like an ironing pad type deal here. So I'll do another video actually using it and doing the setup and all those things. But for this video, I just wanted to quickly show you everything that came in the box so you know what to expect when you open up yours.